So he told us they're about 8 weeks old. We'll figure it out. Oh, meanie head. All right. So, I think, my dear.
It's okay. It's okay. Good. Oh, you pooey. You alright? You had a rare day today.
Put that over here. And then we'll just step over and hand them.
Okay.
I think the way he did. This is the pig pen that I built that I filmed with no sound. So here's a pig pen. Yay! That we built out of sticks. I need to take that off. But okay.
On right away, right?
Yes, we are.
But I have to be really careful.
Yes, you will.
That's no push race, right? Right? That's no push race.
You push that back corner.
You could do that.
That one. I'll lift up and you push it. Oops. That's no good.
Three?
Yep. Okay.
Is it up now?
Looks like all right.
You might be able to push right here. Maybe.
Maybe. Who knows?
Careful.
All right. They are less than pleased. Let me get some food.
It's gonna latch on my itchy back.
Does somebody want to get in so I can set the pigs, hand them over?
In there?
Yeah.
Sure. I'll help.
Okay. Here, come here, come here, come here. Oh, you're so heavy. Jump. Okay. Grab a piggy.
Turn around, Courtney.
Come here, squeaker.
Hey, there's an oink.
Oh, Brian, they're breaking it.
Oh, no. Hey, Piggy. They're heavy. Uh-oh. No, Piggy. It's fine. Oh, no.
Okay. Okay.
They're heavy, though.
They're heavy. They're heavy. Don't drop it. There you go.
Sorry, black boy.
Okay.
They're trying to get out.
They break it already.
Nope.
You're turning it on? Chef? Hey, get away
No,
from
because
me.
I want to get you guys out, and then we'll turn it on.
April. Stop it. I don't want to.
Oh.
You're breaking the fence, Dad.
I know.
How we going there? Going there?
Heavy.
Hey, wiggle, wiggle. Hey, wiggle, wiggle.
Yeah, let's hold on. I don't know if you're... It's not here. There you go. That one, yeah. Hey, go with your friends. Go with your friends.
Whoa. Whoa!
Hey, come here. Get him. Okay. That's
Alright, so get him in the corral.
Come on, in here.
Yep, in there.
Go on.
Throw some food in there, maybe?
There. Good. No.
In there so I can turn the hot wire on.
That way. We're gonna turn on the hot wire on again. Whoa! Pick him up. I know, right? They're really fun. That way. No, Bucky. Come here. Come on. You gotta jump on them. That's the only way to get them.
No, just shoo them this way.
Okay, shoot them this way. Go. Pick. Come on. That way. Pick.
We got this? Guys. Easy. There's one. Keep shooing him.
Wrong way.
Alright, so we'll do this.
Yeah, put them over to the top. Good pigs. This way. No, there we go. Boom. Now we need to fix
Now I
that.
can fix the hot wire.
Broke all the hot wire in 30
They didn't break it.
They broke it?
No, they did not break it.
We had a knife.
Ripped it off. That's not, just they ripped it. That's all I see. Oh, you guys.
You're so adorable. Which one am I? I think I need to. I'm getting the one with the most spots. I'm calling his head.
I just wonder which one's the boy, which one's the girl.
It's the one with shape hands and that one's mine. That's the one with the most spots. That one with the most spots is mine. That one's
I'm going to need a different charger or the different connector.
Where are they?
They're in the truck with the drill and the thing, so we'll have to come back.
Where's the truck?
The truck's over by the... No, maybe it's right over there. It's right around the corner. Let's go grab that.
Can you guys stay here?
sure.
Make sure the pigs stay.
All right, and I need the sledgehammer too.
Sledgehammer? Mm-hmm. Don't toss this one?
No, just a sledgehammer for now. So guys, what we discovered when we put the pigs in here, I'm not sure if we captured it or not, but they got behind the wire really quickly and they were going to end up sandwiched between the wire and the fence. Now the wire wasn't on, obviously, when we put them in here. We want them nice and calm. We don't want them panicking and running around and getting stuck. So what we're doing real quick, before we turn the wire on and let them in here, we're modifying it so that there's not as much space between the wire and the wire. Yes, sir. So that way if they hit it, they're actually going to bump into the fencing, I guess I should say. Because probably what I'm going to do is move this cattle panel and screw it in here so it's not as fluctuated.
Oh, he does. And want to this one too?
Oh, swing and a miss.
Hey, Dad.
So now we're going to the outside and screw the fence to the post. Hope it doesn't jump. Those are for if you put a gate in. Not in this one.
The other one?
Maybe. I actually got those for when we get the cows. Whatever that is.
The house?
Oh yeah?
Yep.
Got one for George. You're calling one George here?
Here or here. I said one, two, George.
So if you put two screws close together, even though one of them wouldn't work, it acts kind of like a washer. See what's sandwiched in there?
Chickens aren't as dumb as chickens. Probably you. It's probably either dad's or yours. I'm not thinking that you and dad have black. No.
What's the baby so scared? The one that's already rooting for food everywhere.
So we're going to turn the fence on. If you come over here, you'll see the gauge. So when you turn it on, it flicks over, flicks back, and then flicks over. And if everything is good, it will go back to green. Now you'll hear it. So it's in green. You hear the ticking? Every time it ticks, that thing is hot. So we're gonna let them out and see what happens. That way we're out here. If something happens where they run in between the fence and the wire, we can shut it off.
Mom, it's just like that then. When it kicks, it falls behind us. And you can hold it, and then when it takes you to jump off quickly, right?
Yeah, I wouldn't bother me.
It's hot, so.
Yeah. Like, what do you mean by hot? Like,
It's
What
live.
it means when it's on.
come on. Pick, pick, pick.
That's the grounding wire, so that shouldn't be hot.
Come on, pick, pick, pick. Can I just try? Okay. What's the brown one for?
So move
Pick, pick,
slow.
pick, pick,
You don't want to scare them into anything. All right. So they've touched the wire. Now see how cautious it is about the edge?
Oh. No wire in there.
No wire in there.
It's like picking.
So we very specifically have no wire in there because when we want to move them over to the wire area, we want a place they will go safely and not be afraid of. So we're gonna put nice warm bed in here, nice feed in here, but they will learn when they come out here that the hot wire is here. So then if you come over here, we'll show you the other area. So in the previous video, you saw that we have hot wired all the way around our 7,000 feet or so. This is our little pig corral. So the idea with this, so once we get them used to the hot wire, we can move that, we can move their home, we can close them off in the home, take all that wire down, and then move them one at a time through into here. Once we get them in here, we'll close that gate, and then we will open this gate, and they will go into the woods. But they will know that hot wire's there, and they should, in theory, stay in the woods. And then when it's time to harvest the pigs, we're going to feed them in this corral all the time. So whenever we bring them food or treats, we're gonna say pig, 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 shake a bucket, feed them in here. They know there's no wire in here, they're not afraid of in here. Then when we get the trailer, we can back the trailer up to here and we can safely wrangle our pigs. So for now, that's it. Sorry it took a week to get a video to you. It's Thanksgiving, sometimes it happens. But we're not gonna do a live stream tomorrow, which would be tonight, because you're watching this on Monday, hopefully. So Tuesday, we'll do a live stream. Like and subscribe. Share our videos on Facebook with your friends. Maybe twist their arms into liking us. Anyways, dress for the job you want. We'll see you next time. Bye.